Chapter 3, Operators and Expressions. In today's video I will cover what are operators. In the next video I will cover what are expressions. So what are operators? C supports a rich set of operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulation. C operators can be classified into number of categories. There are 8 types of operators. First one is arithmetic operator, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, special operators. The first one is arithmetic operators. C provides all the basic arithmetic operators plus, minus, into, division. Example of arithmetic operators are a minus b, a plus b, a divide b, a mod b. So here plus is addition used for addition or unary plus, it is called. Minus subtraction or unary minus. Into multiplication. Divide operator is used for division. Mod operator is used for modulo division. Integer arithmetic. There are again in this integer arithmetic is one of the operator. When both the operands in a single arithmetic expression such as a plus b are integers, the expression is called an integer expressions, and the operation is called integer arithmetic. For example, if a and b are integers, then for a is equal to 14 and b is equal to 14, we have the results. A minus b, 14 minus 4, it gives 10. Integer value. A plus b, 14 plus 4, it gives 18. A into b, 14 into 4, result is 56. A divide b, 14 by 4, which is equal to 3, decimal part here truncated. Only integer part we are considering. A mod b, 14 mod 4, which is 2. We are taking the remainder as a result in case of mod operator. This is a simple program in which use of operators are there. For example, a, b, c are the three integer value. It is of type integer. We are asking what is the value of a, what is the value of b, then c is equal to a plus b, which is also integer type. We are getting the result as integer. For example, and every time you are entering the new value for a and b, you are getting the new result. Next is the real arithmetic. In arithmetic operation involving only real operands is called real arithmetic. A real operand may have values either in decimal or exponential notation. Since floating point values are rounded to the number of significant digits permissible, the final value is an approximation of the correct result. If x, y, z are the float numbers, for example, x is equal to 6.0 divided by 7.0, it will take 0.857143. Like that for y and z. The operator mod cannot be used with the real operand. Only division, plus, minus, division. Next is the mixed mode arithmetic. When one of the operand is real and the other is integer, operand is nothing but a number. When one of the number is real and the other is integer, the expression is called mixed mode arithmetic expression. If either operand is of the real type, the only real operation is performed and the result is always a real number. For example, 15 is an integer, 10.0 is a real number, but what you are getting the result is, it is in the form of real. The second type of operator is relational operator. Relational operators compare two quantities and depending on the relation take certain decisions. Following relational operators are there. For example, is less than is used for comparing the two numbers. Less than or equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. For example, we may compare the age of two persons. We can use the real this type of operators, or the price of two items. Comparison can be done with the help of relational operators. An expression such as a is less than b or 1 is less than 20 containing a relational operator is termed as a relational expression. Syntax of relational operator is arithmetic expression 1, relational operator, arithmetic expression 2. For example, just now we saw a is less than b, or you can use a greater than b, like that. AE1 is the AE1 and AE2 are the arithmetic expressions which may be constant variables or combination of them. Given are some example. For example, 4.5 less than equal to 10, it is true. When arithmetic expressions are used on either side of the relational operator, the arithmetic expression will be evaluated first and then the result is compared. For example, here a plus b, it will calculate the number. For example, a is to b is to 4, which is equal to again c plus d. If here 2 and 2 value of c and d is there, then only this statement will be true. That is, arithmetic operators have a higher priority over relational operators. Third operator is logical operators. C has following three logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. The logical and logical OR are used when we want to test more than one condition and make decision. For example, A is greater than B as well as X is equal to 10. We are using the logical operator. Fourth one is the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. Equal to sign is assignment operator. C has a set of shorthand assignment operator. The syntax is V OP is equal to exp, where V is a variable, exp is an expression, and OP is a C binary arithmetic operator. The operator OP is equal to is known as shorthand assignment operator. The use of shorthand assignment operators has three advantages. What appears on the left hand side need not be repeated. Second is the statement is more concise and easier to read. Number third, the statement is more efficient. For example, statement with simple assignment operator and statement with shorthand operator. Here difference is there. A is equal to a plus 1 can be written in C as a plus equal to 1. A is equal to a minus 1 can be written as a minus equal to 1. Same thing for the other signs like into, division and mod. Fifth type of operator is the increment and decrement operators. C has two very useful operators not generally found in other languages. These are the increment and decrement operators, that is plus plus and minus minus. The operator plus plus adds 1 to the operand while minus subtracts 1. Both are unary operators. The increment and decrement statements are used in for and while loops usually. We will see these type of operators when we will discuss for and while loops. Sixth, conditional operator. A ternary operator pair (:) is available in C to construct conditional expressions of the form exp1, it means expression 1 exp2 expression 2 expression 3, where exp1, exp2, exp3 are the expressions. The operator (:) work as follows. exp1 is evaluated first. If it is non-zero or true, then the expression 2 is evaluated. If expression 1 is false, then it will skip the expression 2 and the result will be exp3. In the above condition, only one of the expression, either exp2 or exp3, is evaluated. For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 15. X is equal to a is greater than b (a: b). So here the value of a is 10, 10 is greater than b value is 15, 10 is greater than 15, no, it's less than 15. So this b is the answer. Here b is greater, so it will consider as b. Seventh type of operator is bitwise operators. C has a distinction of supporting special operators known as bitwise operators for manipulation of data at bit level. These operators are used for testing the bits or shifting them right or left. For example, AND is bitwise AND, or bitwise OR. Here the symbols are there: bitwise exclusive, OR, shift left, shift right, and one's complement. Special operators. C supports some special operators of interest such as comma operator, pointer operator, and star, size of operator, and member selection operator. The comma operator can be used to link related expressions together. For example, value is equal to, in bracket, x is equal to 10, comma, y is equal to 5, comma, x plus y, comma operator. In for loops and while loops, we can see this the example of this comma operator. Comma operator has the lowest precedence of all operators. The parentheses are necessary. Next is the size of. The size of is a compile time operator, and when used with an operand, it returns the number of bytes the operand occupies. The operand may be a variable, a constant, or a data type. For example, m is equal to size of sum, n is equal to size of long int, k is equal to size of 235 L. The size of operator is normally used to determine the length of arrays and structures when their sizes are not known to the programmer. This size of operator we will read when we will discuss the chapter arrays and structures. Illustration of operators. Here this is the simple program where a, b, c, d are the type of integer, and I assign the value of a to 15 and b to 10, and c is equal to plus a minus b. Plus a means a is equal to a plus 1. First it will become 16, minus b means 10. 16 minus 10. C is equal to, value is stored as 6. So print a, b, c. First it will print the value of a, b, c. A is 16, b is 10, and c is 6. In the next statement, because we are before printf we are assigning the values, that's why it is considering a plus a means a value, it become a is equal to a plus 1, which is nothing but 16. Next printf statement, we are using the conditional operators. For example, here c is greater than b. If it is true, then it will return the value 1, otherwise it will return the value 0. C is greater than b, we are checking. 6 is greater than 10, no, that's why it gives the result as 0 in this here. In the next statement, again printf print the value of the result. C is less than b, then yes, as 6 is less than 10, it will return the value as 1. So this is the simple program where we use the different type of operators like increment and decrement operator, conditional operator. So in the next chapter, in the next video we will see the expressions and related to that, what are the remaining things. Thanks for watching.